How to fix iPhone stuck on Emergency SOS Screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you were stuck on Emergency SOS Screen, then the most effective method to fix it is a simple force restart. So go ahead and force restart your iPhone by simply quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, further quickly pressing and releasing the volume down button, and finally pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, your iPhone will take a forced restart and this will exit the SOS screen and restart your phone. See if that helps, and if not, then you will see the stop or cancel option on your home screen. So simply tap on the stop or cancel button and confirm stop calling in order to cancel it. You can also simply try to force restart and then charge your phone, as sometimes low battery causes it to freeze on SOS mode too. Once you have charged your phone, you can wait a few minutes and then restart your iPhone and your issue should have been fixed. If not, then if just in case your side button is stuck or jammed, then it can keep triggering the SOS mode, so you can remove any tight cases or debris around your buttons. And if that does not help too, then you can simply try to put your computer into the recovery mode, and this will help you in fixing your issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone stuck on emergency home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.